Hello and welcome to another calculus instructional video. This video is about differentiability and continuity, or if a function is not continuous, can I still differentiate it? Let's take a look. We've got four different types of discontinuities in functions. They're all listed here. We've got asymptotic, jump, kink, and undefined discontinuities. An asymptotic discontinuity occurs in a function like y equals 1 over x, where both sides of the function go off to different infinities and leave an asymptote line between them. The function is not continuous at x equals 0. That also means it's not differentiable at x equals 0. Now, let's take a look at jump discontinuities. A jump discontinuity is something that happens when you have a piecewise function, like what's here, and it jumps between that line up to that line. Since x is not defined, since the function is not defined at x equals 0, it is not continuous at x equals 0. Therefore, it can also not be differentiated, so it is not differentiable at x equals 0. Let's take a look at the next function now, a kink discontinuity. A kink discontinuity happens when you have something like y equals the absolute value of x, where you have a sharp corner here. That corner, while it is continuous at x equals 0, is not differentiable. And it's not differentiable because there is no defined slope at that point. The entire slope here is -1. The slope all along here is +1. But at 0, there is no slope. The limits are the same when you approach from the right and left. The value of the function there is equal to that limit, so it is continuous. However, it is not differentiable. The final type of discontinuity is an undefined discontinuity. It happens when you have a function like y equals x to the 1/3, for example, and the function actually goes vertical here at 0. And at that point, the slope is undefined. So it is continuous at 0. However, it is not differentiable at 0. And that is because when we try to take the derivative there, we get an answer of undefined because the slope is vertical. It's also undefined. So, that concludes the different types of discontinuities and how none of them are differentiable.